welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday and happy Father's Day to all of the fathers. I don't have a lot of men that follow me, but happy Father's Day to you. Thank you for everything that you do. So let's go ahead and get into this job. It's going to be with the company Cardinal Health, and they're looking for a work from home data entry representative. All right, we're going to get into all the details, but before we do, hit that like button, also share the video, and also leave a comment. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I put these videos out nearly every day, all right? Now, I wasn't able to locate the pay for this job, but if I do find the pay after I edit this video and before I upload this video, I will pin a comment for you in the comment section. But with this job right here, you're going to be responsible for answering emails and faxes from customers to place orders or reorders of medical supplies. Your new hire training will take place Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You must attend all of training. Once you've completed training, you will take part in a shift bid to determine your schedule. This is a full-time position, and you're required to have flexibility to work any of their schedules during their normal business hours, which would be from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, and 9 to 3 Eastern Standard Time on Saturday. If you are assigned a shift with a Saturday workday, you will receive a shift differential of $1 an hour, and agents assigned a shift that ends after 7 p.m. will receive a shift differential of $2 an hour. All right, so you only need a high school diploma, and they prefer if you had 2 to 4 years of experience. Also, prior computer experience using Microsoft Office is required. Customer service experience is preferred. Fax experience is preferred, and prior experience in data entry is most likely required, all right? So you're going to be processing customer orders and making decisions on document interpretation. You're going to also be entering in accurate information into the system, and you're going to meet performance and service level goals outlined by the department. Now, they are saying that this role must be performed outside of Colorado, so I think that if you're in Colorado, you will not be able to work this job. So as far as the application, you will need to create an account and go ahead and proceed with the application. Now, you know, if you're interested in applying for this job, you can find the link in the description bar. You guys know if you have any questions or any comments, you can leave those below. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.